Will, are you riding your horsey? Oh, don't get upset. Do you think his arms hurt like that? I know, I'm just kidding. Hey, do you like your horsey? Merry Christmas, Will. Thanks, Nana. Thanks, Poppy.
Okay, you've had enough.
No more horsey time. I do like the horse, though. Thanks so much for it. It's a great present. Say hello.
Say hi.
Say hi, baby guy. Hi. Do you want to say hi? Say hi. You're not in a talkative mood right now? He says, no, it's about time to eat.